Hey, it's Megan with WTI, and while I don't live in a tiny home, I am really on board with the whole idea of efficiently using the space in your home. And something that's been helping me to make efficient use of my space is this MallKing toilet storage rack. It came with easy to follow instructions, and it was really quick for my husband and I to assemble. It has 3 generously sized shelves that can hold a lot of items, and I also find the shelves to be very strong. So they can handle not only small, light items, but also larger, heavier items too. The whole unit fits perfectly around my toilet, and it almost looks like it was custom made for my space. I was really pleased that this storage rack came with hardware and zip ties for attaching it to the wall. This really makes the whole unit feel really sturdy and takes away any tendency to wobble. It came with a couple more really practical features that I find really useful. One being a toilet paper holder and another being a towel hook, which both attaches to the side of the unit. The white color looks so beautiful in my bathroom and it really brightens it up. If I ever do move into a tiny home someday, I know one thing for sure, that this MallKing toilet storage rack is definitely coming with me. And that's my point of view.